I just did a short video about some VHS tapes that my YouTuber friend Ben Says Things sent me. Got for free. Did a video of that, and now I'm actually gonna do a video of these old systems that he dropped by. I was planning to actually keep the Sega system, but it didn't come with any games. Can't believe this old controller. It's all dusty because I haven't used it in a while. And I don't even think I can hook it up because it's using the old UHF connection. So I have no idea how I'm going to play it. I think it's possible. I have an old TV upstairs that might be able to play it. But what's cool here is it has the old headphone volume here. Power button. Oh, I got it. Man, this brings back memories. It even says Sega over here. Sega. Can't see it. I'm having trouble focusing. Plug it into this baby like this. I'll bring this over to my brother. Nintendo games has the old. Oh, there's Genesis. He has the old arcade stick over here for Nintendo. I don't see any of the. Well, the remotes are down here. This is in pretty good condition, just dusty. Pretty sure it works. Old connectors. Oh man, that's so dusty inside. Remote. Gave some games over here. Let's see what games you got. Got good old Double Dragon. Thundercade. I don't even remember Thundercade. I should have played this when I was at his house. You like Thunder? Ooh, Rush and Attack. Play on words.
I love that one.
Okay, thanks for telling me you love this. Tetris. Interesting. Should put this back in. Of course, it doesn't go back in. And last of all, I got some more games here. Wish I could go play them, but Ned, don't do that. You're gonna fall right on top of me. Gosh. Okay, we got Super Mario Bros. 3. POW. Man, my friend really had some unusual tastes. Tiger Heli. Spy Hunter, that's a classic. Never go wrong with Spy Hunter. Trojan. I don't even know what the game that is. Top Gun. Everyone needs a good shooter game. I remember playing this so much. Ikari Warriors.
I love it.
You like Ikari Warriors? You weren't even born. Bionic Commando. Oh,
I love that one. It's so cool.
this was the game that came with most systems. Excite Bike.
I love it. That one. It's cool.
Oh, can't get enough Top Gun. Here's the second mission. So anyways, just wanted to show Dusty
I love it. That one.
Nintendo that I won't be playing. I need to transport this over to my brother now. I was planning to keep the Sega, but now...
My dad, I'm a ninja.
Yeah, you're a ninja. But now I'm going to have to just bring this Sega Genesis. I just don't feel like buying games for an old system, but I know my brother, he'll figure out what to do with this. So, that's my story. Gonna go with it over and out, because you can pretty much play all these games off of the Nintendo Switch, because they have those arcade packs. But it's just nice seeing these legacy things in its original condition.